everyone, my name is Rajita Sahira. Today I'm going to talk about productive cough. Many people think cough is just a small problem, but actually it can tell us a lot about what happened inside our body. So in this video, I will explain what productive cough. Let's get started. A productive cough happens when your body produces extra mucus in the airways and tries to pass it out. This is actually a protective mechanism. The mucus trap germs, dust, and irritants, and cough help remove them from the lungs. So even touch is feel uncomfortable, a productive cough is your body way of cleaning the respiratory system. The most common cause of a productive cough is respiratory infection, especially viral infection like the common or flu. It can also be caused by bacterial infection, asthma, smoking, or exposure to air pollution. When someone has a productive cough, the mucus can look different depending on the cause. Clear or white mucus is usually related to viral infection or mild irritation. Yellow or green mucus may suggest infection because it contains immune cell fighting germ. If the mucus contains blood, smell bad, or the cause lasts more than 3 weeks, medical evaluation is important. Other symptoms may include chest discomfort, shortness of breath, and sometimes fever. Managing a productive cough focuses on helping the body clear the mucus. Staying well hydrated is very important because fluid helps in the mucus, making it easier to cough out. Warm drinks like water, herbal tea, or soup can soothe the throat. Unlike dry cough, productive cough should not always be surprised because the mucus needs to come out. In some cases, doctors may recommend expectorant to help loosen mucus. Nutrition also supports recovery. The body needs enough calories and protein to repair tissues and strengthen the immune response. Vitamin C, zinc, and antioxidant-rich food can help support immune. In conclusion, a productive cough is a natural cleaning process of the lungs. It might feel annoying, but it plays an important role in removing infection and irritation. With proper hydration, rest, and nutrition, most cases improve within a few days, 3 later. So that's the explanation about productive cough. In conclusion, cough with mucus is not just random. It's a natural defense mechanism. The key is to understand the cause, recognize warning signs, and take proper care like staying hydrated and maintaining good nutrition. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you understand the topic better. See you next presentation.